Check this out, a thrower, a free mower. Side of the road gem, Toro Super Recycler. It's gonna be an awesome one. I bet you it runs and works. Right? Nobody would just give it away, would they? Find out. So the first step in resurrecting any roadside find is to put it in your front yard for 3 weeks so it can get acclimated to its new surroundings. So here it's been sitting 3 weeks. Let's actually touch it and see what's wrong with it. First thing is chrome handles. Dead sign that it's pre-95. Everybody did away with chrome about 95. So a little bit older, probably, so we're pushing 30 years old, maybe a little bit more. It's a Toro, just a mulching deck on it, which is amazing. They actually mulch amazing. All aluminum, Briggs & Stratton engine. Let's see why people got tired of it. There's 2 reasons. One, looks like the bolt fell out of the handle, so we're just missing a bolt right here. That could annoy you to the point you're just sick and tired of it and you just want to throw it away. And 2, the pull string broke. That can make you run it and then just get rid of it because you just don't want to deal with it. So both of those. This one, I think the pull string just broke, and that's why they just give it away for free. So let's see if we can start it just by wrapping something around it. The gas tank is full and the oil looks just fine. Take our clamp down the bail, and I just grabbed a random chunk of wood. We'll just wrap that around real fast. Give ourselves a new pull start. It is the original rope. See the throttle and everything move? Yep, is this a primer? No, this is a push to choke. So slow, fast, choke. And let's see. It pulled over just fine. Well, I smell gas. Maybe it's flooding. Let's put it back. So it was a little finicky to get started. This cable looks like it's fairly new. This whole setup right here. It's the only shiny thing on the engine. I don't think it's adjusted correctly because there's a little stop and then forward's supposed to be choke, but it seems to run just fine on the choke, but also right there it seems to be slow. So I just think that this isn't set up correctly and it may not be giving it choke all the way. I don't know. So let's throw a bolt in it, but the self-propelled seems to work. Let's throw a bolt in there. Probably restring it. The oil actually doesn't look that old. Let's look at the blade. See if it needs to be sharpened or something. But other than that, it's good to go. 1993, so 30 years old. Didn't seem to smoke or anything, so this motor easily got another 10 to 20 years in it if you just buttons a couple little things up. See what the air filter looks like. Ooh, that looks fun. Actually, not too bad. Yeah, it's pretty bad, but easy enough. So when we put the engine to full choke, butterfly should be fully closed, and it's not. And we'll just push it to where that's it. And that should be off. Yep. And that should be fully closed. Yep. Rewind this rope. Let's take the gas can off. That one snapped. That's okay. There we go. Actually, not bad. Two little dollops of grass debris. Pull those out. Rewind the rope. Pull out the old rope. Take a new rope, slide it in, add the extra to go up to the handle. There we go. Let's lube this up. Transmission fluid. Beautiful. Put it all back together. Okay, we need a pull handle. These look like our options. An actual Briggs & Stratton, and I think that came off a weed eater. Which one do you guys think? Pop that wheel off real fast because it feels a little stiff. Should be moving a lot freer than that. And if the gears just get all dry, there's a little like one-way clutch in here that's all, it just needs to be freed up. That should be jumping up. See, there's a greaser. It should be greased once in a while. Bet you this has never had grease. Let's clean it up. See? Freewheel. Grab. Got to clean it up a little bit. I hate scratches on the side of the mowers like this. Feather the edges. This isn't a car. Okay, time to give it a really basic, quick 2-minute detail. This is ATF. Let's see. Put the choke all the way on. Are you flying?